All right, y'all. So this is my Pioneer. Let me see what model it is. It's my Pioneer head unit. Model number NVH-6S622BS. The BS stands for, that was a lot of bullshit I went through, but it's all right. So, I ordered, what's it called? The interface from Crutchfield or something like that. So that's the interface, right? And I had to order everything separate. So basically what this is that I could put in Aftermarket head unit and attach it to the factory under the console, whatever it is. And I'm guessing these go to the car. So this is the thing, man. It's the part number, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Made by Access. So it was kind of difficult putting all these wiring together because I don't know which wire needed to go, which one needed to stay, but whichever one needed to go, I ended up cutting it short and, you know, taped it off individually and then grouped it. That's what I did for all of them. But for the most part, it was all like, you know, black or gray to gray, black and white to black and white, and white. And whatever was left over. The only one that didn't match was this one. It was a blue and white to a solid blue. That was the only one. Everything else that's attached to this piece right here, the interface, I believe that's what it's called, the interface right here, the axis, I don't know what I forgot the name of it, but so all three go together basically. And there was probably, let's see, there's one from here, from the axis blue, whatever this is, the axis, I don't know what the name is, man, but it was one red from there and a solid black. There was a red from here, there was a red from here, and then there was a red from the head unit of my Pioneer. They all went together. The black as well. There was a black from here, there was a black from here, and there was a black from the head unit. That all went together as well. But other than that, this piece and the head unit wiring harness, they basically went together. And if you had like a red from here and a red from here and a red from here, I put them together. And I put some, what is this called? Closed end crimping tops or whatever. And that was it. It was kind of difficult, but I ended up calling the the tech service, and he basically ran me down through it, and yeah, so that's basically what I did. And I had most of it correct, but it was the only thing that really confused me was there was a bunch of wires that were free, and yeah, it confused the hell out of me, man. So I called them, and I had most of it right. I had probably like 90% of it right. So it wasn't too bad. Pretty easy, but I just got to put everything together. So that's my little project right there. And yep, see y'all in a minute.